Hello, in this video I want to show you how to strip nickel with our new nickel stripper, what we sell on the spar plating website, and I will sell it on eBay and on my eBay shop and on my website as well. Right, some details about it. This is nickel stripper. It's non-hazardous, so it can be shipped worldwide, no problem. So operation temperature, you should heat it up from 50 to 60, maybe 65 degrees Celsius, or it's about 122 to 150 Fahrenheit. We use a hot plate stirrer. I would use one definitely. It's easier if you have movement, agitation in the solution. Okay, give you some details how it works. You can heat it up to 50 degrees Celsius. It strips about 10 microns per hour with no movement in the solution, no agitation. Yeah. If you use the same temperature, 50 degrees Celsius, with agitation, also with movement in the solution, it strips at a rate of about 17 microns per hour. If you heat it up to about 60 degrees Celsius, 65 degrees Celsius, it strips about 50 to 55 microns per hour with movement in the solution. It needs to be movement in the solution. It strips quicker then. So that's the details. So now I'll show you what we've done in a quick video. You know, how it works basically. Right, this is the item what we have here. It was nickel plated to around 10 microns, maybe 12, but between 10 and 12 microns is this plated. So let's have a look. We use this item and put it in the solution. This is already heated up to about 60 or so degrees Celsius. You put it in for, you will see a difference already about. We take it out after about 6-7 minutes. It will turn dark, really black, all the stuff what comes off basically. Look, this is after 10 minutes, and then we leave it in for another 10 minutes. This is after 20 minutes. Now we take it out. This is the black stuff, what the nickel what comes off. So, and have a look. Look, this is the temperature, 54, so not quite 60, but you can do it with up to 65. So now we put it in an ultrasonic cleaner. You don't need to do this. You can go straight, wash it off, but it's a little bit more, it's easier, put it this way. If you put it in there for whatever, a minute or so, then take it out, wash the rest off under running water, and use a tissue and wipe the rest off basically with a tissue and dry it and finish, job done. Right, all the details are put underneath there in the description somewhere, where you can buy it. You can buy it now directly from Spar Plating. You will buy it in the future, I don't know when, from my eBay shop, also from my Golden Solution website, from my website basically. Not at the moment, in a few weeks or so, I don't know when. Anyway, please subscribe for more videos like this. Put a thumbs up, leave comments also if you want to know anything. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.